Solving a linear equation with several occurrences of the variable, variables on the same side and distribution. In your Aleks pie, mouse over the light green slice, linear equations and inequalities to reveal the drop-down list of topics you need to cover. Click on Solving a linear equation with several occurrences of the variable, variables on the same side and distribution. Here's an example problem. Solve for y. -10 equals 5 times parentheses y plus 5 end parentheses plus 2y. Let's click Explain. We can solve the equation as follows. First, we need to use the distributive property to get rid of these parentheses. So 5 times y is 5y, and 5 times 5 is 25. So now we have -10 equals 5y plus 25 plus 2y. And then we need to combine these like terms that are on the right, these y's. So 5y plus 2y is 7y, and then we just had one occurrence of a whole number on the right, and so we just leave that 25 the way it is. And then subtract 25 from both sides so that we have an answer on the left and y on the right. And so 25 minus 25 gets rid of this one. -10 minus 25 is -35. So now we have -35 equals 7y. And then to get y by itself and to solve, we need to divide both sides by 7. And -35 divided by +7 is -5, which solves our equation for y. Let's try another one. Solve for v. 5 times parentheses v minus 8 end parentheses minus 3v equals -36. Here are my notes. 5 times parentheses v minus 8 end parentheses minus 3v equals -36. First, I need to use the distributive property to get rid of these parentheses. And so 5 times v is 5v, and 5 times -8 is -40. And then I need to combine like terms, because I've got two sets of v's over here. So 5v minus 3v is 2v, and then this -40 doesn't change, equals -36. And then to get v by itself on one side and an answer on the other, I need to add this 40 to both sides, which gives us 2v equals 4. And then to solve for v, divide both sides by 2 and get v equals 2. In my Aleks screen, type in the answer that I got in my notes, 2, and click Next. And it says that I got the correct answer. Thanks for watching.